Welcome back, fam. Dave Banter here. I have the P30i, the P31i, and the P40i. Out of the three earbuds that I just mentioned, which one is worth your time and money? It's the P31i. These are 100% absolutely worth your time and money. But why? Let's get into it. Let's start with the P30i. These earbuds, I recommended them before, and I stand by that. They're still good. First of all, 10mm drivers, multi-point connection, IP54, so you can work out in these. Battery life, 10 hours, 45 with the case. Now, once you turn on ANC and all that stuff, that battery life is gonna definitely vary, okay? Adaptive ANC, and let me tell you, it actually works pretty well. But that's the stuff you can read on the box. I need to tell y'all about my experience and how these sound. So first of all, the matte finish on these, I absolutely love the matte finish. Some of y'all aren't gonna like that, but I do like it. And they don't give you as many ear tips as the other earbuds in this lineup, but the ear tips actually fit very well in my ears. It's the medium size that come on straight out the package, and they don't fall out of my ears. And I like that. They're also smaller. These are smaller in size than the other earbuds in the lineup, and I like that. I like the smaller earbuds. Let me tell you, fam, sound-wise, they sound good, but compared to a lot of the others in the lineup, these would probably be the muddiest. I gotta go there. I like the sound. You know, I'm a little weird like that, but they're a little overly bassy, okay? For the price, okay? For the price, they're right where they need to be. The app is gonna give you some, not all, but some of the same features you're gonna get on the upgraded earbuds that we're gonna talk about very soon. Using the app with these is just absolutely great. You might wanna do a little manual EQ to kind of fine tune that bass, but let me tell you, if you pick these up, I still recommend them. These are fantastic. The P31i is here, and here's my recommendation. First of all, 6 microphones. The AI clear calls, that's including your feedback microphones. The driver, 11mm, stepping it up a bit. Also stepping it up a bit. IP55 now on the 31i. Multi-point connection. Battery life could be better. 10 hours to 50 with the case. Of course, that's based on how loud you listen to your music. It's an improvement over the 30i, but I feel like it could be better. But speaking of battery life, fast charging, 10 minutes of charging, 3.5 hours of playtime. That all sounds great. Let's get to why I really like these. That adaptive noise ANC, they give you the most options. Check it out, it's in the app. The most options for adaptive noise cancellation is the P31i. I know that's a little hard to believe, but facts. With the wind reduction, all that stuff, they got you covered. And with high-res wireless audio, LDAC, they're the only ones offering this in this price range. Now, they do have the glossy finish, and they do give you a place to tie on a lanyard. If you have a little lanyard and you want to carry it that way, they have you covered. The size is just the right size. Like, it's not too big. I don't get a lot of ear fatigue with these. I don't get them with the P30i either. So a lot of good stuff about the P30i. These earbuds sound good, okay? It doesn't require a lot of manual EQing. They're not as bassy as the other two models in this lineup. I'm gonna say that again. They're not as bassy as the other two models in this lineup. So it has a much cleaner sound. Fantastic earbuds. They're offering a lot here. I gotta show you how they compare to the P40i though. Here's some of the best upgrades for the P40i. 40i holds the title for battery life. 12 hours, 60 with the case, fast charging, 10-minute charge, 5 hours of battery life. Yes, how long you can listen to your music is going to be based off of volume, but it does not matter. These have the best battery life out of all the other models mentioned in this lineup that I chose for this video. Now, they don't give you the little lanyard thing or anything like that, but what they do give you is wireless charging. So for all of you who are absolutely in love with wireless charging, this is the route to go. These right here, the P40i. Now we got to talk about sound now. The adaptive noise ANC, it doesn't has as many offers as far as the functionality of the ANC compared to the P31i. I know that's weird when you look at like the wind reduction, all that stuff. The sound is not bad, but it is more bassy than the P31i. It's just not as clean. That P31i, that sound is just really clean, and these you are gonna have to EQ a little more to get it to match that P31i. I know that sounds a little crazy, but I'm telling you, it's facts. Also, these are a little bit more on the ear fatigue side. They're the bigger earbuds out of the lineup, bigger than the P31i. So after a while, I do feel a little ear fatigue. Do they sound good? Yes, they sound good. I'm not saying they sound bad, okay? But these are just the things you need to be aware of before you make that decision. Or if you already made a decision and you're looking to buy some new ones or some upgrades, this is some good information for you. For the price, these have dropped down in price quite a bit on and off, so always check to see if they're on sale. And again, like the P31i, they have a lot of ear tips that are available. So if you need that customized fit, they're gonna have it covered. Here's a few bullet points to take with y'all. P30i, of course I like them, recommend them before. They are a bit on the bassy end. P31i, I highly recommend them. Great sound for the price. The least bassy of the lineup. The size is almost perfect, and they do give you a few more options in the app over the other two in the lineup. And the P40i, getting back to the bassy side, they are a little bit more weighted, but they do have that wireless charging, and of course, the best battery life out of the lineup. So how does that sound to y'all? Which one do y'all think is worth y'all's time and money? It's really hard to go wrong here. I'm spitting facts to y'all. It's hard to go wrong. I have all three, obviously, but I have found myself using the P31i the most. But y'all gotta let me know what y'all think. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.